At the airport, safety, reliability, and efficiency reign supreme. As vital as ground support equipment is to airport operations, ensuring its seamless integration and operation can be demanding. Finding skilled, reliable drivers can also be a challenge, a potentially costly one. The International Air Transport Association estimates that there is one GSE-related incident per 1,000 flights. In fact, most aircraft damage occurs on the ground when the plane is parked and is caused by GSE colliding with the aircraft's fuselage. It's a problem that costs the industry millions of dollars each year. The aircraft body, engines, wings, landing gear, and cargo passenger doors are all vulnerable to damage from unintended contact with ground support equipment. The Cybernet Autonomous Retrofit Equipment Kit, the CARE Kit, can help reduce the cost of operating GSE by ensuring safe, accident-free operation, thus extending the life of the existing equipment and leveraging the proper use of autonomous technology. The CARE Kit can be retrofitted onto baggage and tow tractors, moving cargo and baggage around the airport. The kit enables operation in all weather conditions and can be programmed on-site to follow specific routes, improving safety and protecting your most valuable resource, your people. Using state-of-the-art technology developed by Cybernet, the CARE Kit understands the vehicle's environment, taking in every relevant detail. LiDAR sensors detect obstacles up to 100 meters away and alert the system to avoid contact with people, an aircraft, or anything else in its path. Cameras identify humans and other objects in the environment, and pinpoint GPS allows for precise navigation. Working together, the design of this proprietary autonomous vehicle management software enables the vehicle to avoid accidents, continually improving safety and efficiency, and protecting people and equipment from harm and damage. The CARE Kit is designed with a layered approach, building upon the foundational collision avoidance system, CAS. Working in tandem with human operators, it facilitates more intricate operations while ensuring heightened vigilance. The system ensures operator safety under challenging circumstances, keeping people and equipment safe. The Cybernet Autonomous Retrofit Enhancement Kit protects operators at the ramp by preventing collisions. The system is programmed to avoid the aircraft safety envelope, marked on the ramp, serving as a boundary around the aircraft and other equipment. With our advanced monitoring interface, operators can seamlessly oversee multiple vehicles in real time. Whether at a computer or in the field with a tablet, the operator has a clear view of each GSE's location, ongoing task, and current condition. This holistic perspective empowers the operator to identify potential challenges and intervene proactively, ensuring operations remain smooth and efficient. The Cybernet Autonomous Retrofit Equipment Kit is enhancing safety, improving efficiency, and giving new life to your existing GSE assets. Whether it's fully autonomous operation or active safety assistance for manual driving, we give your business the care it needs. The GSE Safety and Autonomy System was developed by Cybernet Systems Incorporated in partnership with Fort Brand Services and Toyota Tsusho America Incorporated. Financial support was also provided by the Michigan Economic Development Corporation and the Detroit Region Aerotropolis. With Cybernet Systems CARE Kit, improved safety can be a reality today, paving the way for full autonomy tomorrow.